There's a sight. Goku struggling to take off a t-shirt?
Maybe the heat has gotten to him.
I don't think that's a normal t-shirt.
Hey! Goku, do you mind if I take a look at your shirt?
What? Sure.
What is this?
Why is Tian acting so strangely?
Hank, how many times have you seen him wear a shirt? Goku, this thing weighs a ton. Have you been wearing it for the entire tournament?
Yep, Kami told me to. It was part of my training. It's not much different than Master Roshi's style. He wore a big turtle shell to gain strength. It's pretty much the same principle here.
Your wristbands as well? And your boots?
Could you continue the fight? This is a tournament.
What are you guys doing? Don't worry about this stuff. We'll take care of it.
Thanks, Krillin. I appreciate it.
Come on, Tian. You guys have to keep fighting. Here, give me that.
Hey! What is this?
Ugh, it's really heavy. This is unlike any shirt I've ever seen before.
I don't see how you managed to walk in these lead boots, let alone fight.
It wasn't easy. Each of those boots weighed 20 kilos. My feet have never felt so sore.
I don't believe this guy. He'll do anything to get stronger.
This is impossible. Good thing there's no water around.
I'd say I'm holding about 100 kilos.
Are you kidding? 100 kilos?
It took me a long time to be able to handle that much weight. In the beginning, I struggled to carry even a few rocks. But it was all worth it. Now that I'm not carrying around that weight, I feel light as a feather. You're lighter than a feather. That's great.
Goku just keeps amazing me. I thought there was no surprise left, but 100 kilos? That's just crazy.
Well, I'm all warmed up. Let's go.